When it comes to window installation in Dallas, homeowners often face a tough decision. Should they tackle the project themselves or hire a professional? While both DIY and professional installation have their advantages, understanding the differences between the two can help you make an informed decision. The quality of your windows and how they're installed can significantly impact your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and overall value. In this article, we'll explore the pros and cons of DIY and professional window installation in Dallas, helping you decide which option is best suited for your home, budget, and needs. DIY window installation. Pros. Cost savings. One of the biggest advantages of DIY window installation is the potential for saving money. When you handle the installation yourself, you eliminate labor costs, which can account for a significant portion of the total cost of window replacement. If you're on a tight budget, this can be an attractive option. Personal satisfaction. There's a sense of accomplishment and pride that comes with completing a home improvement project on your own. For DIY enthusiasts, installing windows can be a fulfilling challenge. If you enjoy working with your hands and learning new skills, this project can be an excellent opportunity to expand your abilities while improving your home. Flexibility and control. With DIY installation, you have complete control over the project's timeline and process. You can work at your own pace, taking breaks as needed, and schedule the installation around your own availability. This flexibility is especially valuable for homeowners who may not have the time or resources to coordinate with professionals. DIY window installation. Cons. Lack of experience and expertise. One of the biggest drawbacks of DIY window installation is the lack of professional experience. Installing windows is a complex task that requires precision, especially when it comes to ensuring proper insulation, sealing, and alignment. Improper installation can lead to air leaks, water damage, or structural issues that can affect your home's energy efficiency and overall integrity. Potential for mistakes. Even if you're an experienced DIYer, window installation can be tricky. One mistake during the process can lead to costly repairs down the line. For instance, improperly sealed windows can result in drafts and increased energy costs. Additionally, mistakes during the installation process could void the warranty on your windows. Time-consuming. DIY window installation can be time-consuming, especially if you've never installed windows before. The process involves measuring, removing old windows, preparing the frame, and carefully installing the new windows. Without the proper tools or experience, it can take much longer than expected to complete the project, leaving you frustrated and exhausted. Professional window installation. Pros. Expertise and experience. Professional window installers bring years of experience and expertise to the table. They know how to handle various types of windows and understand the intricacies of proper installation. A professional installer can ensure that the windows are properly sealed, aligned, and insulated, minimizing the risk of air leaks or water damage. Their attention to detail can result in a high-quality, long-lasting installation that enhances your home's comfort and energy efficiency. Time savings. Hiring a professional installer can save you valuable time. What might take you days or even weeks to complete on your own can be finished in a fraction of the time by a skilled team. Professional installers are equipped with the right tools and experience, allowing them to efficiently remove old windows, prepare the frames, and install the new ones quickly and correctly. Warranty protection. When you hire a professional for window installation, you typically receive a warranty on both the labor and the materials. This gives you peace of mind knowing that if anything goes wrong with the installation, you won't have to pay for repairs or replacements. Many window manufacturers also require professional installation to honor their warranties, so hiring an expert can protect your investment. Better long-term results. A professional installation is more likely to provide long-term, reliable results. Skilled installers will ensure that the windows are perfectly aligned, properly insulated, and free from any issues that could arise down the road. With professional installation, your windows are more likely to last longer and perform better, contributing to your home's energy efficiency and value. Professional window installation. Cons: higher cost. The most significant disadvantage of professional installation is the cost. While DIY installation can save you money on labor, hiring professionals will require a larger upfront investment. The cost of installation can vary depending on the number of windows, the type of windows being installed, and the installer's rates. However, many homeowners feel the investment is worth it for the added expertise, time savings, and long-term benefits. Scheduling and coordination. Professional installation requires scheduling, which may not always align with your availability. Depending on the company's schedule, you may need to wait for an available time slot or work around the installer's availability. This can add some inconvenience to the process, especially if you have a tight timeline. Limited control over the process. When you hire a professional, you're relinquishing some control over the project. While professionals will follow your instructions and preferences, the timeline and work process will be managed by them. If you prefer to handle every step of the project yourself, this may not be the ideal option for you. Which option is right for you? The decision between DIY and professional window installation ultimately depends on your skills, budget, and priorities. If you have the necessary skills, time, and tools, DIY installation can be a rewarding and cost-effective option. However, if you're looking for peace of mind, high-quality results, and long-term durability, hiring a professional installer may be the best choice. For homeowners in Dallas, where the climate can lead to temperature fluctuations, proper window installation is essential for maintaining indoor comfort and energy efficiency. Professional window installation ensures that your windows are installed correctly, providing the maximum benefits for your home. Whether you choose to install your windows yourself or hire a professional, it's essential to invest in high-quality windows that will improve the comfort, efficiency, and value of your Dallas home. If you're unsure about the best option for your needs, consult with a window expert to help you make the best choice for your home and budget.